Okay, think instead of just having them going straight across, we put one here, one here, one here. It's almost like a zigzag because you want some type of shape in your garden. You know what I'm saying? And so I think that those are going to be beautiful right there. I wish I had some more red ones because then I'll run them all the way up and just plug it in. See how that works. But okay, y'all stay with me as I begin to get these planted. So my next thing that I am looking at doing is I don't know, I probably shouldn't have planted that there, but I probably should have planted it around the side of the house, but we're just gonna go with it. Y'all remember I have these lilies that I'm trying to get out of the pots. The ones that's in the white pot here. Trying to get those out. And so I need to come here and dig all of these up, and then, but where am I gonna plant them? I may get them right in here. I don't know. I want to plant them in a group. Probably right in here. That's what I'm thinking. So let me see how tall this gets, y'all. This one here, let me just bring it up. This is a little one I had gotten from the hardware store. Yeah, I had got this little one here from a hardware store. Well, it's not really a hardware store, but they sells all different kind of things. But anyway, this is a perennial, and it is a cornflower. And it says light full sun. The height gets 16 to 20 inches. So I only have one of those. I don't know if y'all could see that. But I'm trying to debate where I want to put it at because it does get a little bit high. So I'll decide on that in a few minutes. But let me go ahead and get these lilies out the pot and begin to work on those. And y'all, I planted this white one here. I want to show y'all the picture of how it's going to look as it come up. That is the plant right over there that we just planted. We just planted it right over there. So that's how it looks. Y'all, this has really good root system in here. Because it's been in this pot for a minute. So this is how they look. I may give my neighbor some and see I'll be back. I'm gonna give my neighbor these, y'all. Okay. Oh, she's no longer out there. Cause she had given me some flowers. So these are pretty. They were in the pot, but I'm gonna take them to her. I will be back, and we're gonna plant the other ones. Okay. I really need one right in this middle here, and that probably will be a good spot for one. Let me see if I can use a small shovel and get in there. So we'll see. Now, y'all, this has a lot of clay in this particular area, and I got some stuff for clay that should help break up this clay that's in here so that it does not stop the growth. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that because I think we have it low enough. But it will break up the clay, and I'm gonna show you what I actually use. Okay, so basically when I dig out here in my garden area, we usually have clay like this. See, it's nothing but clay, and flowers won't grow good in that. So what I bought, or what I usually buy, let me just back it up a little bit, is I buy this here. It's the Garden Organic Soil Conditioner. It's organic garden gypsum, and if you see here to the bottom of the bag, it says loosen clay soil. And so I've been using this in certain parts. It's by Upsoma I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But anyway, but this is what I use for my clay areas. And before I put the flower in, I just put some down in the hole. So wanted to show you all that. Because living in a subdivision, you really don't know what you're going to get. So what I do is it conditions the soil. And then of course I put my biotone starter. I just have it in this little container here. But I couldn't dig all of those out. But I usually just mix it up because I still feel some clay down in there. Let's see. Still feel a little bit of clay that's down in there. And it's hard, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. This is clay dirt. Look at there. But that Gypsum, it should help it. Yeah, it's nothing but clay. Look at there, just nothing but clay. But it should help it. Where's that flower? So I have it here. Put those roots down in there. I found some roots, so I want to try to keep everything that I can here. I want to pull out all of these things here. Try to go ahead and get this down in the hole. And I think that looks cute in between these. It has a companion, y'all. So let me put this up here. This is the mushroom compost that I'm putting in. You want it to have some good soil in there. So y'all, I just kind of got it in there, and I just want it to grow right up in the middle of that. I'm gonna finish putting a little bit of the moisture control soil around it. Y'all, doesn't that look pretty? It looks healthy, I know that. And then you just spread your mulch back around it smoothly. And that's what I do. All right, y'all. So, I got that one in there. And I was able to get it out of that pot, which is excellent. Okay.